I'll be sharing how I solved the blurry export in Affinity by CANVA. Here is my original export. You could see the texts on this design is hard to read, especially on the chat interaction. So in order to solve this, I attempted increasing the dots per inch through the document setup, and I raised it up to 1000, and that didn't solve my problem. What I did was much more easier. So while exporting, you have some export options. In this option, you could increase your size by 1x, 2x, 3x. The design with the blurry texts is sized up at 1x. So I had to just select 3x and I exported the designs. So yes, let's call it this. And once that's done, yes, so now this exported variant, and you can see here's a clearer text. You're easily readable to see once zoomed in. If you ever find yourself with an issue like this, you could try increasing your export size. I'm sure it would solve the problem. Thank you for watching. See ya.